D to the I to the N E O. Dineo.
Hello beautiful people, my name is Dineo and thank you for tuning in. Today's tutorial is nice and simple. 5 easy everyday hairstyles, baby. So if you want to learn how to achieve these, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Ciao! First look is the high puff. To achieve this, you will need any string really. I personally cut up an old stocking. And y'all, trust me, old stockings does the trick. Well, for me at least. I like to lay my edges because my baby hair tends to misbehave. Second look is the fro hawk. To achieve this, you will need some bobby pins. I used about 4 of them, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is quite an edgy hairstyle. Def's not for the faint-hearted. Third look is the high puff hawk. I came up with this name, so y'all better recognize. Like the high puff, you'll also need any string. The edge control I use is Afro True from Clix's product range. Look, we've got the space buns. Yo, does anyone know why they call them space buns? Please comment down below if you do. Hey, also, parting my hair is a real struggle, people. So, the trick to effectively tying my space buns is using my stocking strings. You should also try that. Lastly, we've got the side part illusion. Yo, this is my go-to hairstyle when I feel like rocking my afro. The side part gives my hair that tapered kind of vibe. If you know what I'm saying. You do know what I'm saying, right?
Shooting videos is not easy at all. But you know what? I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. Yes.
Yay! I hope you enjoyed my debut video. First of many more to come. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Ciao!